All right, welcome everyone to the Catalyst Swarm After Town Hall. We're here every week, post this town hall, so you can, have a space to share your thoughts and your projects with the community. We're here each week, and we're not the only. We got to remember here in the main IOG town hall that we're not the only town hall. There are many other town halls, and they're going to be, I'm sure, activating up more since with this new announcement. So let's run through those. All right, yeah. So we have Pacific Town Hall, and this happens every second Thursday at 2 a.m. UTC. Latam Town Hall each Thursday at 21:30 UTC, and Europe Town Hall each second Thursday at 17:30 UTC. South Asia Town Hall each second Thursday at 18:45 UTC, and Eastern Town Hall each second Saturday at 9 UTC. MENA Town Hall meets each second Thursday at 18:45 UTC, and Africa Town Hall each Friday at 1800 UTC. Hop in those. Lots of people sharing their excitement for and their dreams for how they want to change the world through Project Catalyst. Also, we have some other more regular community events. Gimbal Labs holds a playground every Tuesday at 1800 UTC, followed by a live coding session for any of you developers who are interested in that. Cardano for Climate every Wednesday at 1500 UTC, and Swarm session Saturdays at 1700 UTC. Lido Nation and friends meet on Twitter Spaces Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Fridays at 3:30 a.m. UTC. I want to double click on the fact that there are other community events on the Catalyst Swarm meetup and shoot all over the place. I've been trying to figure out how to wrangle them so we could so I can share them, but it is a pretty difficult problem to solve there. So go to the Catalyst Swarm website. There's a meetup link through this link here, and there's additional events over there. Cardano Catalyst Women. This group meets once a month. Go to their website and check out what they're doing. Innovatio community. These guys are meeting, and they're I think they have their own little town hall as well, and it's in Spanish, and you can find invitation to that on the Catalyst Swarm meetup, as well as scan this QR code to join their community. The Voltaire era is here, and many community-hosted workshops are happening all over the world, in person and virtual. I would suggest you going over to this in-person interactive map and seeing if there are any close to you, so you could meet some Cardano community in real life and participate in the 1694 governance Voltaire discussion. The link to Gimbal Labs in this is right here at the bottom. Also, as Tivo mentioned earlier at the beginning of the call, Governance Guild is hosting a virtual 1694 workshop this Saturday at 1700 UTC, live on Zoom. Fill out the form and we'll send you a link so you can join us. And now, if you ever want to host your own breakout room in this space, scan this QR code or fill out the form linked below it, and we'll get you hooked up with a slot. Also, if you have any community event outside of a breakout room that you would like to get on the Catalyst Swarm Google Calendar, we'll put it in there. We don't have a mechanism to do it really quickly, so the further out you let us know, the better. And yeah, the link to that Google Calendar is right there. Let's get on to today's After Town Hall breakouts. Today we have DAO's Hard Cardano Challenge updates with Harsha and Newman. We have Sala de Cafe with the Cardano Hispanic and Portuguese community. And we got Treasury Constraints with Lloyd, Duhan, and Kyle. Additionally, we have open room. So if you've been having a conversation with anyone in the DMs, or there's been several hot discussions in the main chat, and if anyone wants to hop into one of the open rooms and continue those discussions, you're encouraged to do so. And with that, hope we all enjoy the After Town Hall. Back to you, Danny.
Awesome. Thank you, Peter, for the After Town Hall introduction.